Today's topic is how to create your ideal client's avatar. So let's dive in. Hey everybody, for those who don't know me, my name is Salua. I am a digital marketing coach and a content creator. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing for new video like this every week on how to help you grow your online business. All right, so first, let me start by sharing with you what is an avatar. So avatar is really the marketing term of who is your ideal client. Basically, a very detailed description of your ideal clients. What I mean by a detailed description is you are literally thinking and talking to that one person that represents your best client. So your avatar represents that person who is your loyal client, loyal buyer, that person who comes back and it's totally satisfied with your product and services. Your avatar is someone who is happy to refer other clients to you, is someone who pays the invoices on time. It's someone who buys your product and services as soon as they come out. It's somebody that is really involved and interested in what you have to offer. So when you take a moment to really create or design or write about that avatar, think about that really perfect ideal clients because it exists. And if you're not working with these type of people right now, the chances are you are targeting the wrong people. You should not be afraid or worried to say your prices to your avatar. You should not be worried or annoyed or have that bad feeling when you are working with these type of clients. So here are the benefits of having an avatar. Number one, you will have a clear idea on who is your client and where to find them online and offline. Number two, based on that avatar, you will be able to create a clear custom audience for when you decide to go with paid advertising. Number three, you will be able to design specific products and services to help that person. And you can even ask that person for feedback. Number four, when you have a team, having a clear avatar will really help your team be on the same page as you when it comes to targeting your potential clients. And also, it's really important for the copy you'll be using for your marketing. So copy is the language you're using to talk to that potential client. The downsides of not having an avatar is simply going to make you waste a lot of time and money. And also, you cannot target everyone. This is very crucial. It's not because you have a product and services that you think can help everybody, you should target everybody. Do not do that. You need to be specific on who you are helping so you can then provide a quality service or product to that person. Having an avatar should be the basic, the foundation of your business. When you are starting your business and you know the product and services you are selling, you need to understand who you are selling this to. Learn how to speak the language of your avatar. It's so crucial. You can't be Walmart and Gucci at the same time. Those are different markets. I want you to understand that. Different market, different people. What should you include in your avatar? So a good starting point is for you to think about your dream clients. So visualize that person, male or female, their name, their age, where they live, how much money they make, and really have a clear idea on who they are. And if you already have a client like that, feel free to use that person as an avatar. I have mine. I love her to death. She's amazing. Her name is Julieta. And she's an amazing client. I've been working with her for over a year now, and we get along so well. She does her assignment on time. She's such a go-getter. She pays her invoice on time. She is my avatar. When I have a description, I can describe her. I'm going to share with you how I actually break down my avatar. The first thing I do is description. That should include name, age, and background. Family description. Is this person married? Does they have kids? Where do they live? Occupation and income. You have to remember, if you are selling very expensive luxury bags or purses, you can target the single mom of 3 who's struggling to make ends meet. You have to really think about, okay, my bags are more for people who are making 6-figure plus, who live in this area, who are educated, who are X, Y, and Z, right? Second part, core beliefs. That should include your avatar's value, aspirations, goals, and dreams. Are they spiritual? Do they meditate? Do they have any specific daily practices? And their health. You want to get to know your avatar like a real person. Like I said, what do they like to do during their free time? Are they watching TV? Or are they going to shop at Gucci? Are they spending time on social media? Or do they like networking events? And it's the same thing for events, for example. A lot of people prefer webinars and they stay home and they prefer to learn from the computer. And other people like to go to real workshops when they can actually interact, network, and meet with people. Two different markets. You need to market this differently. The next thing I do when I break down my avatar is their challenges. This is very important because when someone has a challenge, as an entrepreneur, you want to find a solution for that challenge. You want to speak to them through that. What are they struggling with and what is the solution you are bringing to the table? So when you create your marketing copy, you know to target exactly that pain point and then explain the benefits. That is exactly why they should be working with you. This is the challenge you are facing. This is the solution, and this is how I can help you. And that's how you create your avatar. And I can tell you, this is so important. At the beginning, when I started my business, I really didn't know who I was targeting. I thought, oh, I'm doing life coach. Oh, maybe career coach. Oh, maybe business coach. But what exactly am I doing? So what I started doing is I started to contact people on LinkedIn and ask them if I could get to know them and meet with them. And when I met with them, I asked them a series of questions. And one of them was, what is your biggest business challenge? What are you struggling with? And as I was writing and taking all my notes, I started to realize that I was attracting a certain type of clients. And these are women over the age of 40 to 45 who are usually married with children, who are not really tech savvy, but they are in business and they need help with their digital marketing and their business strategy. And through that, I was able to create more courses on digital marketing, on social media marketing, etc., etc. And the more I listened to the needs of my audience, the more I was able to help them. So for you, your assignment is to create your avatar today based on what I share with you, which are the descriptions, the core beliefs, and their challenges. And then write down in details who is that person. And when you're ready to market your products and services to that person, you create an audience based on that person and watch the magic happen. If you love this topic, please let me know below in the comment section. And if you have other tips on how to create your avatar, I'd love to know. And also, I do have a gift for you. I'm actually going to leave with you a PDF on how to create your ideal client avatar. Make sure you click down below and download it. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Check out my website at salouaibaline.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll know every time I have a new video uploaded, which are every Thursday. And I'll see you next week. Thank you and bye-bye. You can be Gucci and Prada. No, it's not. Don't forget to subscribe